Hey, what's up guys, David here back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Infinix Hot 11 Play as well as a full review at the end of the video. Right, so guys, if you're not subscribed, come and subscribe, and if you don't like what's in the video, give me a thumbs up, I'll be grateful for that. Right, so let's go ahead and unbox the phone without wasting any further time. Right, the first thing you're going to buy is the phone itself. So basically I've been using it obviously for a bit, so I can review it for you guys. And that's why it's already on, and I've repackaged it obviously for you guys to get the full unboxing experience. Right, so the other thing that you get in box is the stickers for your customer service care right there. I think that you get in the box is a SIM ejector tool, and this club dollar bill right there, and this the X-Pack card, whatever it is for. Well, you also get whatever the hard shell plastic case. Yeah, so I'll be trying that on for you guys later on, which I have my opinion on this. It's not really the best. I actually prefer the TPU cases because this one scratch really fast. This one really scratches fast, and I think if the phone was to fall, it would be the first thing to break, right? Then the other thing that you get is the charger, which is 10 watts. Very disappointing, given that whatever the phone is 6000 mAh, which is going to take forever to charge. This 10 watt charger they provide. Then you get your earphones as well, and your micro USB to whatever to type A cable right there. So yeah, let's move on to the phone itself. Right, the specifications, Infinix is proud of the 6.82 inch IPS LCD display. Yeah, 720p obviously, 6000 mAh battery, and the Helio G35 processor. Yeah, gaming processor as they claim. And the brand new whatever Android 11, it's no longer brand new. That's just a claim obviously. Android 12 is already out. Right, so the phone is already on, as I said already, because I've been using it to be able to review it for you guys. Right, so the first thing I want to be looking at is the build quality of it. Right, so the back is plastic, yeah, fully plastic, and the sides as well fully plastic, and at the front I think the glass is not really. Infinix did specify what type of glass they use on these mid-range phones, yeah, as you'd expect. And then so moving on to the features, obviously at the back you have your fingerprint scanner here, which is fast, I'll say, you guys can tell, right? And you also have your cameras and your quad flash right here, 13MP camera at the back here. And the right hand side you have your whatever volume rocker and power button. At the bottom you have your charging port, which is micro USB obviously, and you also have your headphone jack and the microphone right there. This other side you have your SIM slot on the left hand side. Because your SIM slot, which we shall remove and see. Form is dual SIM with micro SD cards slot right there. So yeah, you actually get a gasket on it, as if it's waterproof. I don't expect it to be though. So yeah, you shouldn't be putting this in the water anytime soon. Right, at the top you get nothing. Yeah, so you might be wondering where your speaker is, and the answer to that question is your earpiece doubles up as your loudspeaker right there. And starting off with the speaker, obviously it's not the best quality. Yeah, about the display, so the display is IPS LCD, as I already said, 720p. It's nothing really exciting about it, nothing to look forward to when it comes to the display here. Yeah, it's just bland. I'll say it works, obviously it's not that bright or high refresh rate, so yeah, not like expected them in this price, but yeah, the display is generally not exciting. Moving on to the performance of the phone. So I'll say the performance is okay. The Helio G35, yeah, I played a few games here, and I'm actually going to be making a gaming review of the phone very soon, so you guys should subscribe for that. Right, play the games, and give you guys a hint, I'll say it's fine, but obviously don't expect to play the games at highest graphic settings. Yeah, won't be able to handle that. It will start dropping frames and all that. Right, so the RAM management is good. Yeah, you can switch between games without any issues. Right, so moving on to the cameras. So the cameras, I'll say, okay, you get your 8MP at the front, and 30MP at the back. Obviously they claim it's a both camera system, but you can only use one camera at the back here. The other one, I don't know, it's just for marketing purposes. That's really, I don't think it's really functional, right? So the camera quality is okay. When it comes to the video quality, you can only do 1080p, 30 fps at the back as well as the front, which is okay. Obviously for this type of phone, you're not buying it for the camera. If you're the type of person who's looking for good cameras, I think you should look at whatever old flagships left from 2018. You get them for the same price. Obviously not new, used, and not in pristine condition. Yeah, but they'll give you better cameras and better performance. Yeah, to be honest, right? So I'm moving on to the selling point of this phone, which is the battery, right? So at the time when I unboxed this phone, like to start using it, let alone this unboxing that I've just done right now. Think about like the time when I actually opened it up to use it, set it up and all that. So it was at about 65%, and right now it's at 45%. And I've been using it for about a day almost, setting it up and using it a bit to get a feel for it. Yeah, so that I could review it for you guys, and yeah, I think that's impressive already. 45. I've only used literally 20% of the battery, so yeah, battery life is really good. Yeah, and that's the selling point. I think the downside is the fact that it charges so slowly. Yeah, it will take forever to fill this thing, but I think that could be negligible. We charge it overnight. Yeah, we didn't mind that at all. Right, so I think that's basically all about this phone. I don't think there's anything I haven't covered. I've covered the cameras, I've covered the display and the processor. I think that's basically all, and the other thing that I promised you guys to do is to try out the case on it right here, and that's what it looks like. It makes the phone look really good. I think it looks better than the TPU cases, but it's not as protective, and I think it's the higher risk of scratches. Yeah, which is something that you which can easily happen, you know. Put it in the pockets with coins or anything or keys, it's going to scratch up really fast. Yeah, and by the way, if you guys are wondering, I'm using Nova launcher here. This is not the stock launcher from Infinix. This is not XOS. Yeah, I'm using whatever Nova launcher on top of XOS. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.